convert purchase requisition to purchase order for services. Log on to FIORI Launchpad as a purchaser rule. FIORI Launchpad display. Open purchase requisition. Formally manage purchase requisition. So process purchase requisition. So process purchase requisition. So the manage purchase requisition screen displays the purchase requisition list. Take care of your variant, your view, to be sure that you have the full list of the purchase requisition to convert. So, for example, if I removed all the things I keep and I just keep the processing statute not edited, and I would like to display, for example, release date today. I click on Go. So, filter item list. So, enter the purchase requisition number in the search area or define all the filters that you want to apply to display the purchase requisition that you want to convert, and then choose Go. So I say that I've got 15 purchase requisition that I can convert. Okay. So the purchase orders preview is displayed. So next step is to assign source of supply. So on the process purchase requisition screen, so we select the purchase requisition area. So the first things, I display these things and I am able to see that I click on show more per row. First, I see that I don't have any fixed supplier or assigned supplier for that. So I need case number 1, purchase service without material number, or purchase service with material number, or purchase service with a limit item. So in any case, I need to assign a source of supply for this. When I see a source of supply, in my case, is a supplier. So go to the line of the purchase requisition item and choose edit. So if I go to the, here we have quick edit. For that, I just have to click on quick edit. And then on the desired suppliers, I just have to put on this field my supplier. I click on OK. Okay. Purchase requisition updated successfully. I do it for, I can click on, for example, purchase without material, assign source of supply. I see, for example, in this case, I don't have any proposed SOS supplier. I can go inside and to select, for example, select, and I click on assign. Purchase requisition updated successfully. In this case, I see that I've got a supplier, fixed supplier. So if I select, I'm able to create purchase order. So I click on Go again. I see my 15, so I do it for all my quick edit. Okay. Surface procurement, I do it. So and so on to, and I check if I've got supplier, click on Go, I select, assign, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so the next step, right now, I assign supplier. So right now I have to convert purchase requisition to purchase order. So that I select the line that need to convert to purchase order and choose create purchase order. So if I do it for the first line, Okay, I select my line and I click on create purchase order. Purchase order simulation is in progress. I just have to waiting. Automatically, the manage purchase requisition display on the on the on the manage purchase requisition screen. Check the following fields and then choose save. In particular, purchase order type. Be careful. You can sometimes you have can have some flexible workflow that can be activated, and in this case, you are not able to convert. So here we are. I see. Okay, everything is good, and I just have to click on order to save the conversion of purchase requisition to purchase order. I see if a new purchase order number is generated by the system. That is the case. Okay, 67657. So I've got my first purchase order convert. So you see right now, processing status PO created. If I click on go, okay, you see, purchase acquisition is not right now 15, it's 14. And you can do it for another one. So if I do not, the next one, service procurement, for example, okay, I select, if I see civil line, it's not the same supplier, okay. If I do, I want to assign this one also, okay. Okay, I see it's good. If I select, perhaps I need to check why I'm not able to select the line. So I click on convert. I click on create purchase order. Okay, new purchase order. I see that is a limit item. Okay, I click on order. Okay, the next one is save. I go back. If I'm not able to create purchase order, I need to go to, if I check, for example, change purchase requisition advanced. If I select, for example, advanced, I see that is a desired supplier, but I need to put fixed vendor. I check if I don't have any flexible workflow. Okay, I check automatic release is good. Okay, assign supplier, go. Yeah, I see. Perhaps that. Yeah, okay. If I go back in my change purchase order advanced, and I check. Okay. You see that the purchase ordering and the is not KPC one. Okay, I save. Can I have a look if I've got, okay, purchasing group. Okay, I've got a purchase organization. I go back. I click on go. I check again. I check also. Okay, you see, for example, I see that I've got purchase order release and a purchase requisition in release. I recalled the recent activity, process purchase requisition. Take care. And I select release today, 13. I have a look about subcontractor, fixed supplier, that is service material. Okay. Why I'm not able to change. Okay, desired fixed. can do it like this also. Change it. Okay, you see the differences? I really need a fixed supplier. I select, and this time, see, desired. Okay, fixed, it's good. Create purchase order. And I click on order. And I've got my purchase order. I do it again. I click on go. 12. I proceed. I select. Okay, I am not able to create purchase order. So, assign suppliers. If I do quick edit, I don't know why that doesn't work. Supplier, if I do it like this, KPC1, KPC1, okay, if I do it like this, assign. So you have not included, so the system required a source list. So in this case, I suppose that is the same thing. Perhaps I will try with this one. I click on assign source of supply. I check the system. I do not see, okay, KPC1. I select, assign. Okay, you see, fixed supplier. So it's good. So I'm able right now, I just have to go to refresh my screen. Okay, and you see right now, I'm able to create purchase order. Just have waiting. If you have some issue, you just have to look the system and press night price. Okay, just have to put price. Enter. You see right now it's not red, it's warning message. Okay, that means everything is okay. So that is very simple to convert. Most important is one thing is to assign source of supply. Source of supply define info record, contract, scheduling agreement, or a free supplier. It's not a good way to assign manually a supplier without sourcing, but you are able to do it. You just have to click on supplier and looking for, if I want another supplier, for example, PPC1, I click on enter, I select another one, I click on assign, purchase requisition updated, I see that my purchase requisition is assigned to a supplier, and right now I'm able, so at this time I just have to click on go to take account minus change, and I select Revel. And if you still have this, you need to go in the purchase requisition and have a look if there is any approval detail overrule ready. So you see that you need to approve before. So you cannot convert this purchase requisition. So if I go back, I see that I've got a purchase requisition to approve. Okay, I approve it. Okay, I submit my approval. Okay, if I go back right now to my recent activities, if I go to process requisition, if I remember that my supplier is Revel, so try, but I'm sure I can select by Revel. Okay, I think I need to add fixed supplier, but if I go identify Revel, see right now, great, I'm able to convert. I click on. So each time, so if you have this time, okay, net price must be greater, and you have some information in the QM. So you understand to analyze the error message. But it's very simple. Assign source of supply and then create purchase order. If the create purchase order is gray, that means perhaps your purchase requisition is in approval status, or you do not assign a source of supply, a fixed supplier, or in case of STO is apart, but info record, scheduling agreement, or contract to sign. Okay? Thank you so much.